Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So I think it's time to probably remove the white scenario here from the chart. You might remember from previous videos that I told you that the white count, which allows for another 1-2 setup, will become less likely if the price breaks and sustains above the 78.6 extension. So that is a bit of a problem. We are doing that. So in the white count, remember that we said, okay, you know, this is still a 5-wave move, no change here. This rally into the March highs, and then we have a pullback. And then we said in an ideal world, this would be some kind of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we want 5 waves to form, certainly before we break, before we reach $1.04. But ideally before we break above 78 cents. Now we've broken above it, right? And that means it's certainly not a 1-2, 1-2. So the green count that I mentioned to you before, that will become more likely above 78 cents is still what I'm tracking. That's a very direct move to the upside. But you know what? I'll make the green count white now. We'll do that. Okay, let's make the green count white. That gives us some clarity. The main problem in this scenario, and that is a big problem, yeah, is that the base down here, it's all corrective. It's all corrective, which means this can't really be a third wave. Well, yeah, I hope that's clear, because this here looks like a 3-wave move up, and that's a big problem. 1 second. It is a problem. And yeah, let me delete the micro there. Explain that to you. I want to explain that to you. The problem is, and I can always be wrong with that interpretation, but it is a 3-wave move. Now, granted, we often get distortions in the crypto sector, right? Ugly distortions. So it is very much possible that this is a 1-2 setup and it is a 5-wave move. I just can't see that last 4-5 pattern, and we're going higher like this. And then at some point we want to see the wave 4 and the wave 5, finish the third, then the 4-5, okay? However, due to the corrective base down here, gonna add the yellow count, which means this is some kind of an A, B, C. Even there, the chart has a chance to move higher, but will not get the last 4-5 pattern. Okay, so I have to do that because of the corrective base. Because in a C wave, we can be dealing with a diagonal pattern now. And in the white count, I have to track it as an impulse. Yeah, as far as I can see at least. That this is just problematic down here. And yeah, if we're tracking this C wave up, the micro count is the same. Okay, it would also be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it would have to be some kind of a diagonal, which means the subwave structure might be a little bit different. But we can keep it simple on the larger time frame. Here on the larger time frame, key support is the 50% retracement. Because this move up at least looks impulsive. So that's like I do it for SUI. This is the nearest support I can offer. It's between 54 cents and 73 cents, at least here on the daily chart. And not to cause any confusion, also the yellow count would do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that being said, actually, this is impulsive support, okay? So that we're really moving up in an impulse. The yellow count reminds us, because wave 1 is a 3-wave move, that this could turn into an ABC structure. It could do. I'm not saying it will. I mean, a more profound ABC. So that means this could be an A. We start the B at some point and then rally in wave C. And then we would probably break below the upper support. This is the problem at the moment on this chart. Because wave 1, as you can see in the yellow count, is also an A, B, C. So, and I don't see yet a very clear ABC in here. So I'm not sure where we are in the, with regards to the micro. It is possible it's doing this, a weak ABC. Maybe we should go with that because it's moving up quite impulsively. So we could be in the C wave of wave 3. That actually kind of makes sense. I think this count makes sense. So we have an ABC in 1, a wave 2, an ABC in wave 3, 4, 5. That third wave is naturally getting extended, as they often do in crypto bullish markets. Yeah, and then obviously we have to pay attention to these FIB extensions now, right? So $1.04, $1.42, $1.72. For the white count, please consider this is only the subwave. This is not yet the main third wave, best I can tell. So, because it hasn't given us a healthy wave 4. So we have to consider this wave 4 should start somewhere, maybe in the region between $1.04, $1.42. Certainly something to watch. And I'm watching for higher prices as long as we are holding above 54 cents. Yeah. This is just impulsive support. The micro count isn't even so important. 54 cents is key support. Against that, I'm focusing on higher. Everything else needs to be discussed on the micro level. Obviously, on the micro level, I have to adjust the count based on this, which I will do later today and then probably publish on Discord. But in the meantime, this here serves as well, actually, because the short-term trend is up as long as we're holding that last swing low at 77 cents. And it's extending even higher, and the next level to watch is $1.04. So that's how I'm trying. The micro isn't so important, not with this, rapid move to the upside. I think best we can do is to consider internally what I've labeled on the larger time frame this year as a B wave low internally at around 52 cents. That's going to be an absolute key level that needs to hold. And above that, it's the last swing low, which is located here at 76, 77 cents. So yeah, this is the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. In the membership, you can, first of all, inform yourself about the membership here on our channel page. There's a short video that explains the perks here on YouTube. You can also sign up on the website. The link is just next to that. There are member-only videos today uploaded: XLM, ARB, Floki yesterday, Brett, Tia this week. And there are many more benefits depending on your tier that you're choosing. For Discord members, if you sign up for Gold, you also get access to the Tradingview live charts, short-term updates for additional cryptocurrencies, and much more. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.